What's up, internet marketers? It's like Paul from internetmarketinggym.com. Today I'm going to give you a printable template background that I've used myself to profit with online in the baby shower niche, but you can use it for anything that it makes sense with. Remember, before you watch the rest of this video, that it's not what I give you, it's how you pair it or how you make it work with the traffic that's already out there. Okay, people are searching online for a particular thing, right? As I'm speaking, as you're listening to me, people are searching for very specific items, products online right now. Okay, it's your job to pair what you can get offline, or you can create your own. It can be physical, even it can be a physical product, whatever it is. You got to pair it with what people are searching for right now. You have to quench their thirst. You have to solve their problem. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna give you a printable template right now, and you can go off and create any kind of printable with it, but that's not gonna matter. You got to pair it with what people want with what people want. I paired it. I created a printable game set for the baby shower niche. I've seen the same template used for not the template I have, but the theme. I've seen the same theme used for birthdays and for bridals. So the sky's the limit. All you got to do is pair what people are looking for with something that you can offer them. Okay, get that traffic, pipe in that traffic, and make sales that way. So I'm gonna show you right now what I have for you. Check this out. Okay, so here I am on one of my most profitable baby shower printables. I've made over $500 with this printable bundle, and today I'm giving away the template to you. That's right, you just click the link below and you're gonna get this template. I'm gonna show you everything right now, but first I want to talk about what is a printable. You might be new to my channel, you might not know who I am and all that good stuff. So let's find out. Well, my name is Ike Paz and I sell printables online. It's one of the ways I make passive profits in a very obscure niche. If you can see from my screencast here, you know I'm in the baby shower niche. It's one of the niches I'm in, and I sell dinosaur baby shower printable games. Okay, now I explain how to sell and make printables. I'm just give you a quick overview. If you haven't gotten Printly, just a quick overview. I use Canva to create printables for free, using images I get from Pixabay. Pixabay supplies you with public domain images that you can use for commercial use. So that means you can sell them, and I get lots of my traffic from Pinterest. Okay, and yeah, Pinterest. There you go. Oh, this is not my Pinterest account for my baby shower. This is for my internet marketing site. But nevertheless, I get traffic from Pinterest. I create printables. I can't speak today. I create printables using Canva and the free images I get from Pixabay, and then I host them on my e-commerce site on WordPress. Okay, that's how I create and sell printables. If you don't have Printly, if you want more information on Printly and how I go through this process in much more detail with many more videos, of course, you can check the information below. But what this video is about is this giveaway. I'm giving away this proven profitable template. Okay, as you can see here, and yeah, it's all yours. Check out the link below and you can get your hands on it. Again, you want to create bundles, not just single printable products, because they won't sell as much. And you're gonna have to create printables based around what people are already searching for online. Again, all this is covered within Printly. So if you have any questions, ask them below in the comments section of YouTube, and make sure to pick up this free printable template. And it's my gift to you. Now, you might be asking yourself, why on earth would you give away a template that's profitable? Well, the sad fact is most people don't put this information to use. They don't put this the ideas I put out, a lot of people just sit on it. They don't put the information to use. They don't try out these methods, and they don't use the tools that I give out. So people like the idea. Oh yeah, I can create a passive income with this template, but very few people actually put it into practice. So I'm pretty confident that most people won't. But if you do have the gumption, if you have the moxie to follow through on your promises, on the promises that you make to yourself, and you do want to sell products online that people actually want, then please, by all means, take this template, put it to work, and hopefully you can get the same results I have. Again, I wish you the best. This is Ike Paz from internetmarketinggym.com. Please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to check out my other videos where I share other useful tips, strategies, and techniques on how to turn your passion into profit. So thank you very much. I'm going to download this right now, right in front of your eyes. Download as a PNG because you want it as a PNG download. Okay, so now you can pick this up in the link below. Take it easy. Ciao.
Yo sigo ganando y sigo gozando.